If you are encountering a WeChat app unusual network problem error, it means that WeChat is having trouble connecting to the internet. This issue could be caused by a variety of factors such as network instability, incorrect settings, or even app related bugs. So, in order to fix this, firstly check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or unstable Wi Fi or mobile data connection can cause network issues with WeChat. After that, go to the Settings app on your mobile device, then simply tap on the General option available there. Now, inside General, tap on the iPhone storage. Now, simply scroll down and look for the WeChat option available here. Tap on the WeChat and simply tap on the Offload app option available there. Offloading the app cache can help resolve network issues related to corrupted app data. So now, after you do this, simply go back to the settings again. Now inside settings, make sure you are inside the settings general. Then scroll down and look for the VPN option available. And if you're using VPN or proxy, it might interfere with WeChat's network connection, so make sure it is toggled off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.